Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete Steam account permanently. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then go to store.steampowered.com. Once you are here, click on your username on the upper right and then on the drop down, click on Account Details. Now just click on Account Details. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down and look for Delete My Steam Account, highlighted in blue. Once here, you will see the header that says Delete My Steam Account. As to how it works, you're just going to follow from step 1, 2, and 3, and then everything should all be solved in deleting your Steam account. Once here, you can now click on Proceed to Account Deletion. If you're okay with it, that should be it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.